Ever struggled to extract characters after a dash in Google Sheets, especially when the number of characters varies? Let's solve that with a quick formula. First, I'll type the write function. This grabs characters from the end of the text. Now, inside that, we need to calculate how many characters to pull. So I'll add the LEN function. That gives us the total length of the text. Next, I'll subtract the position of the dash using the find function. This tells us where the dash is. So the complete formula looked like this, then hit enter. And here you go. Now I'll press enter. Google Sheet automatically fills the rest of the cells. Super easy, fast, and perfect for cleaning up messy data. This is part 1 of the more than 500 formula and function tips and tricks in the playlist. If this helped, subscribe for more Google Sheets tips like this. Thanks for watching.